Somebody mentioned that. Was that you? Okay, well, yeah, that's right. Brian Plain said, okay. I'm recording after hours First Solar. And basically, it's a piece of dump. Its stock is down $20. I didn't even know that it was going to report today until I looked at the report. But it didn't really matter what was going to report today. We are, for the very first time that SMF Pro trading students have known me, is that we're on the sideline. And we're on the sideline for one reason. When I spotted a market top, I decided at that time that the best trade management going into the earnings was that we would do good in the first part of the earnings report, and we did. We did good on Apple, Google, Amazon, and a few others, but ever since then, stocks have sold off because stocks were already bought in March, and that it was buy the rumor, sell the news, and red October. And even though that we were long, I still told people red October. We have a videotape on our website called Red October. So, you know, the thing about First Solar is that this is going to make a good trade on an intraday level. It's got a range. It likes to bounce off the bottoms. $4 or $5. Baidu had the biggest bounce off the bottom. And high beta, high volatility stocks have a tendency, if you get that bottom on the green bar, and you get a good move. So, let me pause the tape. I just want people to see the haircut. And hedge funds, as soon as the people panic out, they will do what they always do, and that's on yesterday's tape in After Hours. Go back and take a look at that one. Tells you what they do. After Hours trading is full bloom on First Solar, and it closed at 154.37, and the stock is getting barbecued. And I said barbecued. We don't own it, and I told traders that we would start looking at it at around $100. Okay? And basically, it's a solar company that needs to adjust itself. And the subsidies that these companies may be looking for, as they once were on the table, may have come off a little bit. And I don't know what the earnings are. They're really cutting it now. And they're cutting it. Oh, are they ever haircutting it? Say haircut. So that's First Solar earnings. I'm going to see if I can find some more examples. And somewhere down here, if it's coming down to my price target, 126 for a trade, but people are dumping these shares now. So I got to let them do their pooping, and after they get done pooping, then I'll see if I can get a bounce. Not hard, very difficult to trade these things. You got to be in, you got to be out. You got to be in, you got to be out. And you got to be in, and you got to be out. Say live. I'm going to resume the tape. Okay, we're going to cover other after-hour tapes, but what we're going to do is I'm going to go through the indexes. And Brian Plain, you're not here to load alarms, though, are you? Oh, my goodness, Brian Plain. There was a big pop and then a sell, and a pop and a sell. So it bounced $3 two different times in after hours for after hours traders trading these things off the lows, is that you get in and you pop out, and you get in and you pop out. Two different occasions, it's had a $3 pop and short sell it right back down. That's the end of that one.